So my product that I bring obviously is mushrooms. It's my company's Give and Grow Mushrooms. So we sell primarily at the Tuesday market, we sell probably 13 different types of mushrooms. We'll do some wild mushrooms as well, whatever's in season. I have the opportunity to talk to my customers. I get to explain my product a whole lot better, how to cook the product, even how we grow the product so that they get a sense of assurance of the quality of what they're bringing home. When I'm here at Eastern Market and I'm selling, I'm engaging with my customers, and I think that that is the biggest part of what I enjoy in selling my product. Really just getting to see these faces and learn more about my own customers as they're learning about me. My name is Vincent Sanna, and Eastern Market is my market.